Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to pay GoDaddy by debit card. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website right here, godaddy.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, it's going to open up this main page right here where in the upper right corner we can get started logging into our account. So what you want to do is log in. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started with go ahead, as you can see, logging in a domain name for our business. We can see all the products and services we can access and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to add a payment method that we want to use our debit card for any purchases on GoDaddy. What we want to do first is go right here into the upper right corner and click on our username. After clicking on your username, it's going to open up this new drop down menu right here where we can see all the options we can access, and one of them is called renewals and billing. So you want to open up renewals and billing. After opening it up, now as you can see, it's going to open up this new menu page where we can see all the subscriptions that we have. As you can see, currently I do not have any subscriptions, but guys, as you can see, one of the tabs is also called payment methods. So what you want to do is open up payment methods. As you can see here, we'll be able to see all our payment methods. So as you can see, our first payment method will be added upon subscribing to your product. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and get started with shopping. Once you have got started with shopping guys, as you can see right here, we can find all the products that we can use, such as their domains, websites, hosting, and so on. Once you get started with purchasing, on the purchase page we'll be able to go ahead and add a payment method that we want to use. There you'll be able to add your debit card that will be able to be saved in your profile so that you can use it for purchases on this account. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.